welcome back to the channel. I get asked this quite a lot. How do we program tpms sensors with a launch Euro Tab 3 and the tsgun that comes with the Euro Tab 3? Now, just to clear the air a little bit, this will only work with the launch tpms sensors. Now, what I'm going to be doing with this tpms sensor is just randomly picking a vehicle. First things first, we're going to go to Toolbox, tpms, make sure this is connected and charged up. I'm going to click OK. So, go to Europe. Let's go back. Let's just go BMW. Popular car. Let's go BMW X2. Now, what we need to do, we need to create a sensor first. We need to give that sensor its own ID so the vehicle will recognize it. Now, let's go around to programming and select the wheel that you're replacing. So we'll just go front left for starters. We want to go around to now auto, and we need to click programming, and that will send the information to the gun. Hold the gun now onto the sensor and it will test it. As you can see, it is coming up programming. And there we go, we go to the gun now. That sensor now is programmed and it is given its own unique ID. Now, what I'll do for you, I will run through that procedure again. What I'm doing, I'm creating 4 sensors. We need to go around to the last one now, which is the rear left. Go into auto, and that is the ID that is going to be programmed through the wand to the sensor itself. Now we need to click on programming. Hold the wand up to the sensor, like so, and it will program it. It might be taking a while because what I'm doing, it might be because I'm too close to them. I'll just step away, hold the sensor to the top. You can see it's programming sensor. And then once it's gone to 100%, it will check the sensor and the wand will beep and it'll vibrate, and there you go, that is all new 4 sensors created. Now, to check the sensors, what you need to do, scroll with the arrow up and down, and that will select which wheel you want to check. Obviously you need to go around to active now. As you can see, this is the rear left, rear right, front right. Now I'm going to be checking the rear right, so just pretend this is on the vehicle now. I'm going to click OK, and you will hear the one go beep and it will vibrate, and it will pass all that information now to the scanner. And then once all your sensors are programmed, we need to go around to learning. Now, some vehicles you need to plug into the OBD and do it that way, and others they will learn themselves after a bit of a run down the road, and there is certain settings that you need to press in the car. But that is something that you're going to have to do yourselves, learn it to your vehicle. Obviously, because I'm not putting them in a vehicle, I can't show you that far, but it is self-explanatory. So yeah, I hope that's cleared a few things up for a lot of people, and that is how you program your new tpms sensors with a tpms wand with the Euro Tab 3. Anyway, let's get it sent.